Martxoan Alabelarri kanpaina abian jarri genuen, eta harria mugitzeko zuen laguntza eskatu genizuen.
The song I would sing is not about the war, not about the drugs, and not about the storm. The story I will tell you, it's about the style of song. That style of song comes from the underground. This is the rubber dub anthem. The rubber dub anthem. The rubber dub anthem. To your family, your crew, and your friend. 'Cause rubber dub is a style with a microphone center, following the bass and the down pressure. The kick give me the tempo, the hit I follow me. Yes, the skunk make me move and give me energy. So move your dancing feet and your body. This is not a wicked joke, this is reality. Show me your favorite stance you use in a the dance all over the world and even in a friends. This is the rubber dub anthem. The rubber dub anthem. The rubber dub anthem. To your family, your crew and your friend.
No, es que me sienta, lo soy.
Zu ere, izan zaitez Alabelarri.
KRS-One, it's from rubber dub. The rock and the dub, the flow, the techniques, the